Ooh, what are we making? Squishy, squishy, look at that long nose, those bumpy scales, so many teeth.
Alligators live in swamps and have super strong jaws.
What are we making? Squishy, squishy, those long ears, that fluffy tail.
It's a bunny.
Bunnies have soft, fluffy fur and love to munch carrots.
What are we making? Something with stripes and whiskers, pointy ears. It says meow.
Meow. It's a cat.
Cats purr when they're happy and love to play.
Ooh, what's this gonna be? Something big with tiny little arms. Sharp teeth but friendly.
A dinosaur. A T-Rex.
T-Rex was huge with tiny arms and a big roar.
Ooh, what big animal are we making, Nose?
It's an elephant. Elephants are gentle giants with long trunks for spraying water.
What's this hoppy little friend? Those huge eyes, webby feet. It lives near water and says,
Ribbit, ribbit.
Frogs live near water and can jump really high.
What are we making? It has spots, and wow, look how tall that neck is going. Higher and higher.
It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals and eat leaves from high trees.
what chunky animal is this? So round and squishy. Look at that huge mouth. Tiny ears. It lives in the water.
Hippos live in rivers and have the biggest mouths.
What scaly friend are we making? Look at that long curly tail, those cool spikes. So many scales.
Iguanas are cool lizards that love to climb trees.
What magical ocean creature is this? So soft and flowy. Look at those long wavy tentacles. It floats in the sea.
It's a jellyfish.
Jellyfish float in the ocean and glow like magic.
What cuddly friend is this? So soft and sleepy. Big fluffy ears, that big nose. Loves to hug trees.
It's a koala. Koalas sleep a lot and munch yummy eucalyptus leaves.
Look at that amazing fluffy mane, so big and strong. What powerful animal are we making?
It's a lion.
Lions are the kings of the jungle with big fluffy manes.
Ooh, what silly animal is this? Long arms for swinging. A curly tail. It loves bananas.
The monkey.
Monkeys swing through trees and love yummy bananas.
What magical sea creature is this? Look at that sparkly horn like a unicorn of the ocean. So magical.
It's a narwhal. Narwhals are the unicorns of the sea with magical tusks.
What wiggly ocean friend is this?
It's an octopus.
Octopuses have 8 arms and can change colors like magic.
What waddling bird is this? Black and white like a tuxedo. Can't fly but loves to swim.
It's a penguin.
Penguins waddle on ice and swim super fast.
What round little bird is this? So plump and cute. And look at that funny curly feather on top. Bob white.
Quails have a funny curly feather on their head.
What strong animal is this? So big and powerful. Look at that amazing horn on its nose.
Rhinos have strong horns and tough, wrinkly skin.
What fast swimmer is this? Look at that famous fin. Lots of teeth. But this one is friendly.
It's a shark. Sharks are super fast swimmers with lots of teeth.
What slow and steady friend is this? Look at that beautiful shell. So many colors.
It's a turtle. Turtles have beautiful shells and take life nice and slow.
Hey, what magical creature is this? Oh, so beautiful! A rainbow mane!
Unicorns are magical horses with sparkly rainbow manes.
What flies at night? Those big wings, pointy ears, cute little fangs.
It's a vampire bat.
Bats fly at night and hang upside down to sleep.
Look at this gentle giant. So big and beautiful, that huge tail. And look, it spouts water.
Whales are gentle giants that spray water from their heads.
Look at this see-through fish. What see-through fish is this? You can see its little bones inside, like a real X-ray. So cool.
It's an X-ray fish. X-ray fish are see-through, and you can see their tiny bones.
What super fluffy mountain animal is this?
It's a yak. Yaks have super shaggy fur to stay warm in cold mountains.
What black and white animal is this? Legs.
It's a zebra.
Zebras have amazing stripes, and every zebra's pattern is different.